Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. And I also have a fairy tale pick a card love reading, guys, right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys, Leos. So let's start with the general energy. We have the Fool in reverse, Page of Swords, King of Pentacles. So in your situation, guys, Leos, maybe for some of you in it may be in your personal life, or it may be in your career situation, you are quite careless about certain things, or someone in your situation, they are quite careless. Maybe the people you work with, your colleagues or your mentor, someone is having that careless attitude that may what to say affect the quality of your work also because of their carelessness. Even you are in a what to say a negative situation, guys. So some kind of troubles because of that. And I also see that you are someone who is really skilled and talented, and you have a particular way of dealing your situation. You are someone who has ideals and beliefs, and you stand by those ideals, and you do your maybe make decisions based on that, and you have you think through in any situation with clarity, guys, Leos. So that may be the reason you avoid some difficult or any negative situations. You are able to overcome all that tough situations easily, and you are a very skilled and talented person, and things are going in a positive way in your situation, guys. But I also see that maybe uh, because of the way you are, because you are extremely successful and you are highly talented, maybe this person you love, they cannot believe that you have these attributes or these qualities, and they are simply what to say baffled. They are trying to find out more about you because they cannot believe that such a person can be that. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys. So they are trying to spy on you, guys. They are trying to find out more about you because they just cannot believe uh, whatever you are. Maybe those good qualities that you have, they just can't believe that it is true. So they want to confirm it by spying on you, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Leos. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Two of Cups. So I see that this person wants to take this relationship to the next level. Maybe they are thinking of marriage or a commitment with you. So that may be the reason they are gathering information about you, and they want to make the right decision. That may be the reason they are trying to find out more about you, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Death. So there are some changes happening in your career situation, guys. You are going to see drastic changes. Maybe you are taking up a new job, or you are moving to a different place for work. So some changes are happening in your career, uh, but these changes are something necessary for your future, guys. To it is going to take you towards your dreams and goals. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Leos. If you are interested, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards. So you can think about your situation. Maybe you have some doubts or some questions in your mind. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal. We have 3 crystals, guys. So if you choose that way, the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's meditate together, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. What it is, let's see what it is. I will keep these cards aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, those who have chosen this card. It is Imagine. So with this card, it just means that all of us have beautiful dreams or fantasies about our life, about our love situation, and we enjoy those fantasies, or we just enjoy daydreaming about this person we love or about our future love. And it may be romantic and extremely pleasing, but you need to understand that if you want that experience in reality, you have to go for that action instead of just daydreaming, guys. And you have to make the efforts, maybe start relating with the people you like. Maybe you can step out, start communicating, and that way you will meet the right person and you will be able to manifest all your dreams that you have. And maybe for some of you, there is someone entering your life, the person of your dreams, with all those beautiful attributes you have dreamt about. So you are going to meet such a person very soon, guys. That is the energy with this card. And if you imagine that way, maybe that person will enter. Or if you even imagine that this person is going to enter, and when you have that positive intentions for yourself, it is simply going to manifest. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this first card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the reading with this crystal and this card for those who have chosen the second card. We have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys. So sometimes in our relationship, maybe of our past relationship, or maybe based on our memories or experience, we keep telling a particular story to ourselves, and we simply cannot find the person we love, maybe with those qualities we want. So it is time you just have think of your situation from a different perspective. When you do that, you will realize your mistakes, maybe, guys. So whatever has gone wrong, you will be able to acknowledge that, and you will be able to tell a different story, reframe a different story. That way you will gain greater wisdom and strength to deal with your situation. And that may be the reason that you have not found the person you like, guys. Maybe so the love you simply yearn for, you are not able to find, because you need to change your perception, guys. So you need to tell a different thing, maybe see your situation from a different perspective. So that way you will be able to handle your situation better, and you will be able to get a better relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you no longer need to focus on all those mistakes or shortcomings that was there in the past. You can let all that go and move forward with that freshness in your mind when you have your vision based on a different perspective. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card with this crystal and this card. So what is the card? We have the Light Princess, ungrounded. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, we need to have compassion and empathy along with intelligence, guys. And life teaches us many lessons, and we become more and more compassionate, kind, and empathetic based on our experiences. And we should be able to relate to the other person we are with, maybe try to work with them, try to be really kind and compassionate to them, relate to that person. So when we are able to do that, when we are able to connect with that other person, we will be able to build a better relationship. And we should not stay aloof or isolate ourselves, escape from any any difficult situations. We should feel that true connection with the people we are with, help them in whatever way we can, maybe or we can be with them. Just relating with that other person is going to help us, or it is going to take us towards a beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for you all today. And we should not try to escape from any difficult situation. Maybe escaping from a difficult situation, we can avoid that pain and stress, but we will not be in that connection, or we will not be able to build a meaningful connection. We will be alone, guys. We will isolate ourselves. So that is the energy here. So we should not isolate ourselves. We should go for that compassionate, grounded relationship. So that is the energy here. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.